Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be trying out a muffin recipe. It's been a while since I've made muffins here. I'm really excited to share my experience. This is a rhubarb and cinnamon muffin recipe. And I feel like this is the perfect time of year to make this. Rhubarb is in season, so they're at their peak. So rhubarb is something that my mom used to grow in our garden when I was like a young teenager, up until I was like 19 and then we moved. But anyway, I never really liked it. I always felt like it needed to be overcompensated with sugar, and she would always make strawberry rhubarb pie. That was the only thing we ever had with rhubarb. So I wanted to try something new today that I've actually never tried before. And I got this from Pinterest. It's another Pinterest recipe. It's from finecooking.com. And I'll leave that link down below. So if you guys are curious to see how this recipe works out for me, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I got going by weighing my flour. It gave cup measurements and weighted measurements, and so I just decided to weigh it because I've never done that before. I added in sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, baking soda, salt, your typical dry ingredients, and mix those together. Then I put in my little liners. Then got going on my rhubarb. And I just kind of diced it up. It didn't, I don't know. I didn't feel like I needed to be super particular. I just wanted to make sure that it was bite-sized, but not too big, not too small, you know. Then I got my melted butter, sour cream, 2 eggs. Then I mixed that together, which for some reason I had like really big problems mixing it. And then when I did finally combine, it looked split. So that was gross. But then I added that to the dry ingredients. And then mix that all together. Oh, I forgot vanilla too. So I had to kind of try to add that in after the dry ingredients were already in the wet. And then I mixed that together. And let me tell you, this was very thick. It was so hard to get everything to combine. See here, it's like super thick. And that made scooping, oh my gosh, scooping was so hard. It took me probably like 10 minutes to scoop. It would not come out of my scoop. It was so messy and so hard. But after I got all the batter into my little liners, I just made the cinnamon sugar topping and that was it. And I sprinkled it on top and then baked it until they were done. So this is what they look like when they're all done. They smell really, really good. And she did say that they're best eaten warm. So these have cooled off for about 10 minutes here. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. And they're so fluffy. Look how fluffy they are. These are nice. They're really light. And the cinnamon flavor on top, I think like totally makes it. I think if you make this, you kind of have to put the cinnamon sugar on top, because I feel like without it, it wouldn't really have a super strong cinnamon vibe, but it's still really, really yummy. The rhubarb kind of just is that pop of freshness. It's not like an overwhelming sour or bitter flavor, and it's just like really delicate and really soft. I would rate these at like 10 out of 10. No complaints. They are super simple, other than, you know, like I was telling you, the scooping was a little bit difficult, but I think that if I had a bigger scoop, that'd fix that problem. But yeah, no complaints. These are super awesome. I highly recommend them. So give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.